if the area of the region bounded above y is equals to x, bounded below by y is equals to s squared, and bounded on the sides by x is equals to 0 and x is equals to 1. The question is asking us to find the, like, when you read something, the first question you should be asking yourself is what am I looking for? What am I looking for? So in this case, what we are looking for is area of the region bounded. Area of the region bounded between, so you can see, so this is what you're looking for. Area of region. So in simple term, what you're looking for is area of region. Area of region. So in order to get area of region, you need to apply a formula. You need to apply a formula. But before we go ahead to apply the formula, you should take note of the given, the point you are given. You can see this is the, like in this case, this is like saying 0 less than or equals to x less than or equals to 1. You get, that means the lower limit, this is our lower limit. Lower limit a, let's call that a to be equal to 0, and the upper limit, let's call that b, then that one is equals to 1. And they also gave us the fact that they also said that our y is equals to s squared. So what we are looking for is when y is equals to x. So these are our given parameters. So given parameters. So in order for you to get area, the formula for getting area, okay, let me just write that. Area is equals to integral of the lower limit and the upper limit. And now you now find f of x and then the g of x. I'll explain all this very soon. Now, this, you should now start asking yourself, what is f of x? What is g of x? F of x means the upper curve, and g of x means the lower curve. So you can see, in this case, this is our what? Above. This means what? Above means upper, right? So that means this is our upper curve, right? And they said below. Below means what? Lower, right? So that means this is our lower curve. You get? So that means if you now, this is our formula, this is our formula, and these are our given parameters. Now that means if you are not to slot in your given parameters, so this is our upper curve, and our lower curve is, sorry, that's our lower, not upper. This is our lower, and y is equals to x is our what? Is our upper curve. Is equals to integral of our lower limit is what? 0. Our upper limit is what? 1. So then we now say f of x. Our lower, this is our upper curve. F of x, our upper curve is what? X, right? Because y is equals to x. So it's like saying this is our f of x and this is our g of x. So you know this y is a function of x. So that's why we call it f of x, g of x, and the like. So you can also say maybe y1 or y2, but just once you have just labeled it, you don't need to confuse yourself too much with it. So, and this, our f of x, the upper curve, is s minus our lower curve, which is what? S squared. Do you get? So now, if you not differentiate, if you not integrate this, so this will give you s squared over 2 minus s cube over 3. So, and we still have our lower and upper limit. So all you just need to say is just to say, put in your 1 square over 2 minus 1 cube over 3 minus 0 square over 2 minus 0 cube over 3. So this will give you what? You know, everything here will give you 0. So this will give you 1 over 4. This is all square. Not all square. It's not even 1 over 4. It's just x half. So 1 over 2. 1 over 2 minus 1 over 3. So 1 over 2 minus 1 over 3 is what? 3 minus 2. So that's what? 1 over 6. You already know this one will give you 0. So you don't need to stress yourself about that. So our answer is what? 1 over 6. So do we get? So that means our answer is C.